Atmospheric dead zones don't just appear. Something is causing this. Aaron. Mass hysteria. I wrote a paper on it.
You came here to prove we are crazy.
I came here to understand what happened.
Whispering. To them finishing what we refused to start.
Now a completely different genre. The Stare. A sci-fi thriller inspired by the 1994 aerial school incident in Zimbabwe.
What you just watched, that entire short film, was made with no camera, no actors, no Hollywood budget. I built the software that made this, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Stay until the end, because I'm going to show you something that will blow your mind. My name is Christopher Ladimeji. This is my GitHub, and I have over 114 repositories already. And out of it, I have created this. You can see it's called AI Film Project 7. This is my company, Ontario Inc. And this is the architecture. It is made with Next.js and several AI API to generate scenes, add dialogues with real lip sync to audio, and export finished videos for YouTube, Instagram, and all other platforms automatically. So as I'm saying, you can see all the stacks here. NestJS front end, Tailwind. So there's a lot of things that go into this, and I will show you step by step on how to use the front end. Okay. Next, as I said, my name is Christopher Ladimeji. I am a QA test architect, and I created so many projects using this application. So there is NDLA, public service announcement, raising street smart, the stair that I just showed, the moon landing, mass exodus. The unique thing about this application is that I can change from say out of the atmosphere, like Mars, any other places, moon. I can change to advertisement and every other thing. So it's not just one thing we can do. Okay. Let me show you some of them. You see, presently, if I want to create a new project, I can do it on YouTube, I can do it on TikTok, I can do it on Instagram, I can do a TV pilot, I can do stream POC, I can do advertisement, I can do educational, I can do animated series. So the only difference about this is the timing. TikTok takes like maybe 50-30 seconds, okay, that I could do easily. YouTube maybe 1 hour 15 minutes, and the same thing with Instagram Reels. Like you can do episodic on TV pilot. So there are so many things that is going on here that we can do. So the next thing now, let me just create a new project, as I said, and call it anything. Call it show my YouTube, show my apps. Let's say sci-fi drama. Just say drama. On YouTube, yes, visual style, cinematic. I can easily create. You see, this is it here. So in it, you will see so many things. I can create a character, create under character. I can upload. So here I can easily upload my images, and I can do the screenplay. I can do continue graph. I can do AI provide. I have AI providers. So this is the main thing. This is the AI provider that I connected to them. You see? So everything, and with time, once we are having people who are helping us with creating some servers on our own, okay, we'll be having more and more of these, bananas, mid journey, everything will be included here. And one unique thing about this is that they are competing with each other. So right now, if I want to say create a character or create a scene, let me just create a character. Okay, Chris Oladimeji, director. Okay, age 45 to 100 or to 90. Anyway, 45 is okay. Gender male. Face African American. Body shape plumpy, and say what else? 1.85 meters. Save characters. So I could create as many characters I want. Scene. You see the scene number, scene 1. Easily, you can easily create a scene. Scene 1, title. For YouTube, for YouTube lovers. Okay, location. Just say location. Say street or main street, something like that. It has to be more specific than this. Time of the day, midday. Okay, camera angle, straight, lighting, vivid, cinematic, action, explaining, what AI film studio entails. Okay, prologue. Then anything I want to say here will be there, but just for my, because prologue has to be on my, I can record my voice, which I didn't do now. Okay, but I can do that later. So let me just say save. Okay, when I say save, now the unique about this thing is that, you see, I have delay here and flux. Okay, I can easily generate both. Now watch this. It has to generate something that looks similar to what I've described. I didn't describe much because I'm supposed to put African American, this, that, I didn't put all that. But in the real, if you are using it, you have to be specific. Okay, you can easily go to maybe OpenAI and tell them what you want to do. It will give you a prompt. In the prompt, you will have all this there. Then you just insert it. The age, the atmosphere or area you want to do. So this one takes like 2-3 minutes. So I just want to show you, because I want to make sure you see what's really happening. So, and it's not gimmick. So you see, it's doing other things here. So meanwhile, as we are doing it, Yes, I didn't select. Did I write African American there? YouTube lovers. Okay. I'm gonna select this. Okay. When I select this, I'm not sure what I wrote here. I have to go and check again. Because this is not Chris Oladimeji. This is not black man, but I didn't stipulate a black man there. I said African American. We have white Americans too, white African Americans too, right? So anyway, I select this. It will tell me this is the one I selected, and now that's how it goes. And there's other things I can do here. I can easily export this, but let me just go straight to my finished product. Finished product. You can see here. This is the papers I loaded, and this is the images I loaded. And if you see the images, and this is the complete job that I wanted to post. So you can see I turned this to this. So, and those are the things you can do. It's limitless. The only thing that will take that will make you not to do this is the tokens that you are using. So for this we are using Hedra for this at the back end. And yeah, we're gonna make sure, that's why we are posting it on YouTube now. We're gonna make sure that we can do have everything on our server so that we can use it, and we can be able to limit all the amount. Okay. And about the one we just finished, I didn't complete it because it seems I didn't put the correct I only put African American. I didn't stipulate whether it's black or white. So let me show other things I've done. NDLA. Let me show. Okay, this one is posted on TikTok. I don't know if it's there already, but
everyone, look at me. Colors is dangerous to your health. Trust me.
Yeah, somebody who is taking colos or something, so he was talking about it. So, and you see, this one we go on TikTok. What else? Mass Exodus. Let's try this. Let's see this.
This is it. No turning back now.
I'm sorry. I'm using only.
My gosh, this was built. Someone built this.
We report it now and let them shut us down? Never.
Move! Leave the equipment! Move!
So in all, you can see that we can do lip sync, we can do all these features. This is mass, and watch very well. The mass has element, visor, everything is intact. So it's just a matter of imagination. That's the only thing and money. Yes, and money. Because using all this alone for the past 3-5 days. I've been using Hedra, Dial, and we spent a lot of money. Not so much anyway that we cannot bring this up. But the reason why I'm saying this now is that if we can have a server on our own, okay, all the images, still images, will be in our server. We can just be uploading it, just as I showed earlier when we are doing the new project. Okay, you can upload it by yourself, okay, and you can insert it there. And we have lip sync. Did I even finish this one? Let me see. Yes, sorry. You see, I can generate the image, I can do the lip sync. Everything is here. I can generate a prompt. So everything. This is another new dimension in AI Film Studio. Formerly, we always take what they give to us. Now I can insert my own ideas and dictate what I really want, and that is the best use of this app. So I hope you guys will join me in this journey. This is not the last. It will be going better and better from now on. And see you in my next scene.